time, not 2 times, but what, 6 times? You know that the most
100 times.
Good morning, team. How's everybody doing today? There, in the meantime, I'm gonna tell you guys about and everybody there here. The entire team. Asha Lessons is here, Zoisha, Sammy, and Sophie, and a couple of the girls that we don't know. But yeah, it's lit, and everybody enjoy themselves. I'm going to do this team and enjoy myself to get introduced to everybody. So, am I going to be able to win anything?
I'm gonna say if you win, you can try go give it.
Win, you're going to give it away. Then I feel like more foundation.
What is the foundation?
Now swimsuit, bodysuit. Alright, so on ready for the greatest joke ever. Alright. On my camera, now 64 gigabytes. Forget. Yes. You see a while ago? We have to do everything. So we have done nothing while ago. So this is take 2. Run it.
Yes, subscribe to Sammy and Sunday Live. Yeah, you. Up, subscribe to Broadcast Day.
Zoesha, ZOESH3A.
I never got subscribe to your channel. I don't watch the video and subscribe because I'm supposed to go on the channel. Don't subscribe.
Guys, I'm so sorry, but yeah, this is take 2.
That's alright. Take 2 better than no take.
So, Team Light Skin.
Yeah, Team Light Skin. What I want is Team Black Skin.
Team Sugar.
Meet people. Team White Squad.
Team Ice Splash.
Pum feet.
Oh, this is so pretty. I want this camera. I smash for real. Yes, I'm here. We're here at the Chill With Me. This is Tati's weekend. Y'all already know. When y'all good, no. Here you go. Some good ass quality.
Ready now? Let's go, some girl. Some girl, I know the place start time. But not.
I look at one supporter, so Team or Smash.
Team I smash for real.
One thing, big up my one supporter. And listen,
Oh, me think you talk about me. Me know say me big. You're not supposed to tell me them something out loud.
Boss man, how much is that?
I'm going to charge.
Grand charge? Stay far from you. Stay far from you.
No, thank you, honey.
Boss man, I tell you one thing with that.
That master come give me spirit husband.
Ready?
Hi, Petite Sue. Hi, Petite. Michaela. Divine. Shami, Mummy. All I wanna big up on yourself. Have an amazing meet and greet road trip thing. Wanna big up on yourself. Yeah, you attempted. Yeah.
All right, then.
Support for support.
All right, then. Bye. Brother.
Situation shit.
Like loading. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine to the girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
Teacher just a bounce like bounce wreck. Me do the verb with the noun with the subject. Anything you want me happy get you can't object. You fall in love faster than object. My fit tight to a little brownie and a straight as steel with no little broad bean. We a small well thinner than a thinner sardine.
Yeah, that did. Woo! What's up, Team I Smash? This is day 2. I like the meet and greets that we try to attend back to back. One on the 3rd, one on the 4th. I went to Asha's, Tatiana's, Sammy, and everybody, most of the smaller YouTubers channel yesterday, Jamaican vloggers, and today now I'm going to Petite Sue Divinity Nation meet and greet today. We're gonna crush that bitch and then come back home. So I'm gonna yell up my girl. Come actually watch our vlogs. Yo. Since I'm here in Petite Sue of the same camera, why not prank everybody and make them think like my vlog for Petite Sue and then for sure to Divinity Nation or whatever. Just to be fun of it, you know what I'm saying? Just a prank, bro. Alright guys, Petite Sue for start vlog for her. I wanna for just shout out the vlog.
That's so mean.
I'm sorry. Want to introduce yourself or anything like that?
Hi, I'm Trevine and I'm a divinity.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Tonya, I'm also a divinity.
Yeah.
I'm Christina and I watch you all.
Yeah.
Meeting Michaela and Petite.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Shara Gay and I'm a divinity.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Michael and I'm a divinity.
Yeah. Shout out to Divinity.
Oh yeah, I'm watching Mitty and Michaela to the feel the way.
Alright, well guess what?
What?
This is my vlog. Alright. No, nothing wrong. I'm sorry. Blow your Alright, she soon come though. This is what I don't know, probably run away be or something like that. Oh, I smash for real. 2 o'clock I should be reach. So what? Fix up the vehicle stuff. If you stay on fleek, you know. Yeah, you see them what they do. So them then did. Alright bro, did. Finally everybody reach. time now, full time now. Our sister. Yeah.
Nice to see everybody. Alright, shout out Team Ice Smash. I'm petite. But all you guys are so special to me. Like, y'all know we're here?
Yeah. No, my girlfriend.
I just want to talk to you guys a little bit, if you know, like, ask me anything or y'all can do that right now. Which divinity you think was the most interactive since I've been here? Tanisha. Everybody is agreed? Yes. I love Sue. I love. Step forward.
Hey.
So this is.
I just look at me and
No, Crystal.
And same time somebody gets up in our
That's pretty much it, guys. So we're gonna make our way to
Alright guys, that's it. On the way back home. Shout out to everybody.